This is Get That Job Bundle, 2-in-1 bundle, job search guide, and getting hired. Written by Jackson Helens and D.G. Spare. Read by Tracy Pearson. This is Job Search Guide, the essential guide on how to land a perfect job. Learn everything from finding jobs to effective interview hints and techniques that will help you land your dream job. Written by Jackson Helens. Read by Tracy Pearson. Chapter 1. Quick Start Job Guide. Anyone that has looked for a job in today's society will tell you that it is not an easy task. For every job opening that is available, there are hundreds of applicants trying to get the position. In this ocean of job hunters, it is easy to become overwhelmed and discouraged by trying to obtain a job. To be able to make it to the top of the applicant pile and get the perfect job, you need to know the keys to landing any job. The keys are the tools that will set you apart from any other person seeking the same jobs that you are. Most job hunters just apply to a job opening and expect to get the job. In today's world, that is simply not going to happen. There are many steps that need to be taken by anyone interested in landing a job. The steps are simple and, when applied to every job hunt and application, will help you to land the perfect job. The steps that you need to take as you try to land your next job are the keys to your job hunt success. From the time that you decide that you want to get a new job to the moment you accept the job offer, you will be working the steps that will make you successful in your endeavor. It is important to follow these steps for every job search that you can embark on. The sections of this audiobook are laid out so they follow the process that you will take to land your next job. You can also use this audiobook as a reference tool along the way of your job search. Refer back to the sections of the audiobook that you need to work on as often as you need to. There is no right or wrong way to use the information contained in this audiobook. The only mistake that you can make when job hunting is to not use the steps to achieve your success. The biggest thing that you need to know as you try to land the perfect job is that the only thing that can hinder your success is you. People who choose to not take the appropriate steps will not see the success that they want. You now have the keys to your job hunting success in your hands. Now it is up to you to use these steps to help you succeed and land the perfect job. Chapter 2. Resumes. Types of resumes. When it comes to applying for jobs, your resume is the first chance that you have to make a first impression. This is the single document that will get your foot into the door for you to take the next step. A great resume will get you to the top of the applicant pile. The first step that you need to take is to choose the type of resume that you will write for yourself. All resumes are not the same basic template, and you need to be aware of this before you write your resume. There are 4 types of resumes that you can choose from: chronological, functional, combination, and targeted. Functional. If you do not have a lot of work experience, you may want to choose a functional resume. This type of resume is a great way to focus on the skills that you have that would help to distinguish you from the other applicants. This resume will focus on your skills rather than your work experience. You may want to choose the functional resume if you are changing careers or you have large gaps in your employment history. This is also a good type of resume to use for first-time job hunters. Chronological.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?